Coronavirus cases are climbing again as another wave of infections appears to be here. Just in the last 2 weeks, cases have increased by 40%.
I let my guard down, and as a consequence, my whole family's now sick. So
Dan Imbat was getting a COVID test at Chula Vista City Hall on Friday after he says he contracted the virus while in Florida.
Been religiously wearing a mask for the last 2.5 years, and go to my first conference with the mask down and catch it.
It's not his first time catching COVID, and he's not surprised by the recent increase in cases.
I think everyone's guard's coming down, and I think we've had 2.5 years of not seeing each other.
He wasn't the only one getting tested after attending a large event.
My phone texted me and it told me that I was exposed.
Giovanna Huerta felt some symptoms after going to a music festival in Las Vegas. She's gotten COVID before and isn't too worried about traveling right now.
Not scared to go out just because I know it's something you can't really get away from. Eventually I feel like everyone's gonna get COVID at least once.
In the medium risk category, the CDC says if you have symptoms, go and get tested. They also recommend that everyone stay up to date on their COVID-19 vaccinations. And if you're at a higher risk, they recommend going and talking to your doctor about taking additional precautions, like masking up. San Diego was previously in the CDC's low-risk category. They now join other Southern California counties, including Los Angeles, Orange, and Imperial, in the medium tier. No California county is in the high-risk category yet. Determinations are based on hospital admissions and new cases, both of which have been ticking up here.
I'm hopeful that the community can come together and kind of, react accordingly.
Chula Vista firefighters have been staffing the City Hall COVID testing site. They've seen recent increases in requests and say the free option isn't going anywhere.
No plans to close. We're definitely looking to serve the community the best we can, and hence the reason why we've stayed open to try to keep some consistency in place.
Memorial Day weekend is kicking off an expected busy start to San Diego's summer tourist season, but health officials say the pandemic is not over and people should try and avoid large crowds or take their parties outdoors if possible. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.